everyone and welcome to this week's art club. This week we are going to be making some hatching chicks in celebration of Easter out of paper plates. So for this activity you're going to need 2 paper plates, some A4 yellow paper, an orange pen or paper, very small, PVA glue or sellotape, scissors, a split pin and a pencil. First things first, you're going to get your yellow paper and half it and then draw a kind of oval, half an oval shape on it. Cut it out on both sides and you should get a symmetrical oval shape, and this is going to be the body of our chick. Grab your 2 paper plates and make sure they're facing inwards. There should be a little bit of a gap. Then we're going to be drawing a zigzag straight across the middle of the top paper plate, and we're going to cut just the top one out, following that line really carefully because we want both still intact. Then you're going to get your yellow oval and you're going to stick it right in the centre, maybe a little bit towards the top of your paper plate. This is going to be the body of our chick. And we're going to grab the orange paper, fold over one corner. We're going to make the beak here. So you just fold over one corner and cut out both sides of the paper, and this basically makes a diamond shape or a 3D beak. Stick that straight into the middle of your yellow chick. I'm using PVA glue here. You should use a paintbrush really, but I've used my finger. Stick that down very carefully. Grab your felt tip and draw 2 eyes. So you want to make sure that you're sticking your chick at the bottom of your paper plate on the inside, and then we're going to use the other side to cover him up. Once you're happy with that, grab your bottom half of your paper plate and we're going to stick him down. So you can stick the paper plate down with PVA glue, with Pritt stick or sellotape. I'm going to use sellotape here because this is what I fancy using. And we're just going to make it double back on itself, so it's kind of like a makeshift double-sided sticky tape, and put about 3 or 4 bits around the edge and then gently press down to secure. Next is the fun part. Get your split pin, put it to the side for a second. You'll either be able to push your split pin through or use a pencil to make a small hole, and this can be quite dangerous, so please make sure you ask an adult to help you. So you push the split pin through the hole and then open the 2 legs, and that should enable you to be able to move the top of your egg up and down. So there we have it, our hatching Easter egg. Happy Easter if you are celebrating this weekend. I hope you have a lovely, lovely time. Join us next week for some more fun art activities. See you next time.